In a world where natural wellness and gourmet products are gaining importance, Himalayan salt has emerged as one of the most revered minerals. Known for its stunning pink hue and rich mineral composition, this ancient salt is used for everything from culinary delights to spa treatments and home decor. As demand for pure Himalayan salt grows, it's crucial to choose a supplier that upholds the highest standards of quality and authenticity. Mahnoor Salt, a globally recognized manufacturer and exporter, stands out as a trusted name, delivering premium, quality-certified Himalayan salt products for over 18 years. Himalayan salt is mined from the Khewra Salt Mine in Pakistan, one of the largest and oldest salt reserves in the world. Formed over 250 million years ago, this salt is naturally rich in minerals such as iron, magnesium, and